Γεια σας! Καλώς ήρθατε σε ένα ακόμη μάθημα. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use the Greek word sun, a small word that can be used in many different ways, and today we will talk about two of them. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular lessons and let's get started. The most common way to use the word sun is in a παρομοίωση. Παρομοίωση is the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind in order to make the description more vivid. So, παρομοίωση is the simile. We already know the most popular animal similes. If you haven't watched yet that video, you can find the link in the description. There are several ways to form a simile in Greek, such as using the words όπως, λες και, όμοιος, όμοια, όμοιο με, μοιάζει, etc. But the most often used word to make a simile is the word σαν. For example, πεινάω σαν λύκος. Πεινάω σαν λύκος. I am hungry as a wolf. There are two different ways to make these comparisons with the word σαν. The first one is to use the word σαν and then a noun in nominative without article. Remember our example. Πεινάω σαν λύκος. Let's see some new examples. Αυτό το μέρος είναι όμορφο σαν ζωγραφιά. Αυτό το μέρος είναι όμορφο σαν ζωγραφιά. This place is beautiful like a painting. Η Μαρία είναι πολύ ντροπαλή. Όταν της μιλάς, γίνεται κόκκινη σαν παπαρούνα. Η Μαρία είναι πολύ ντροπαλή. Όταν της μιλάς, γίνεται κόκκινη σαν παπαρούνα. Maria is very shy. When you talk to her, she turns red like a poppy. The other way to use this word in order to compare two things is to use σαν, then to use a definite article and a noun in accusative. Είναι κρύος σαν τον πάγο. Είναι κρύος σαν τον πάγο. He is cold like the ice. Of course, we can use this phrase metaphorically too for someone who is emotionally unavailable. Δουλεύω σαν το σκυλί. Δουλεύω σαν το σκυλί. I work like a dog. We mean I work hard, and we have σαν, the definite article, and the noun in accusative. It is not wrong to say δουλεύω σαν σκυλί. Δουλεύω σαν σκυλί. In this case we have σαν and nominative without article. So, if we want to make a comparison, we can use the word σαν and then a noun in nominative without article, or the word σαν, a definite article and a noun in accusative. Let's learn now some new similes. Ντυμένος σαν γαμπρός. Ντυμένος σαν γαμπρός. Dressed like a groom. So, to someone who is very well dressed, we say that he is ντυμένος σαν γαμπρός. For example, Maria says to her 20-year-old son, Πού πας? Πού πας? Where are you going? Her son says, Σινεμά με τους φίλους μου. Σινεμά με τους φίλους μου. To the cinema with my friends. Πας σινεμά με τους φίλους σου ντυμένος σαν γαμπρός. Πας σινεμά με τους φίλους σου ντυμένος σαν γαμπρός. Are you going to the cinema with your friends dressed as a groom? His mom is sure that he is going to meet a girl. The next one. Ψηλός, ψηλή, ψηλό, σαν κυπαρίσι. Tall like a cypress. When someone is very tall, we say είναι ψηλός σαν κυπαρίσι. Είναι ψηλός σαν κυπαρίσι. He is tall like a cypress. And when we want to say that someone is too tough, we say that he is σκληρός σαν ατσάλι. Σκληρός σαν ατσάλι. Tough, hard as steel. So he is strong and determined. He can tolerate difficulties and suffering. For someone who is extremely pale, like I am, we say είναι άσπρος σαν το γάλα. Είναι άσπρος σαν το γάλα. He is white like the milk. Or, είναι άσπρος σαν το χιόνι. Είναι άσπρος σαν το χιόνι. He is white like the snow. And I think it is enough with the similes. Enough for today. Similes, metaphors, and idioms help you to speak Greek more fluently. We already know many idioms. You will find a playlist in the description box. We know some similes, and I would like to teach you in the next lesson the most popular metaphors. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments, please. After the word son, we can also have the strong forms of the personal pronouns in accusative or other pronouns, adverbs, verbs, nouns in genitive, but we are going to talk about them in another lesson. Today, except for the similes, we are going to learn how this small word can introduce an adverbial clause of time. So, sometimes we can use the word σαν instead of the word όταν, when. Σαν πας στην Καλαμάτα και έρθεις με το καλό, φέρε μου ένα μαντίλι να δέσω στο λαιμό. Σαν πας στην Καλαμάτα και έρθεις με το καλό, φέρε μου ένα μαντίλι να δέσω στον λαιμό. Says a traditional Greek song, and we mean όταν πας στην Καλαμάτα, when you go to Kalamata and you come back, bring me a handkerchief to tie around my neck. Σαν έγινε 18 χρονών, έφυγε από το σπίτι του. Or, όταν έγινε 18 χρονών, έφυγε από το σπίτι του. When he turned to 18, he left his house. My favorite poet, Konstantinos Kavafis, says in one of his most popular poems, «Σαν βγεις στον πηγεμό για την Ιθάκη, να εύχεσαι να είναι μακρύς ο δρόμος». Σαν βγεις στον πηγεμό για την Ιθάκη, να εύχεσαι να είναι μακρύς ο δρόμος. Όταν βγεις στον πηγεμό για την Ιθάκη. As you set out for Ithaca, hope the voyage is a long one. So, in the last examples, the word σαν is not the word we use to compare, but it is a word used more often in literature instead of the word όταν to introduce an adverbial clause of time. And that's all for today. Don't forget that you can find all the notes in my blog. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Να είστε όλοι καλά. Εμείς θα τα πούμε πολύ σύντομα. Γεια σας.